Hello guys, so if you're having problems in signing up in your country for ChatGPT, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now for doing that, what you need is a verified phone number. So you can try using free phone numbers, but it will probably not use because they are mostly already used. Now the only option that is left for you is get a paid number. So what you can do is just simply open a new tab and just simply enter a site called Ping Me. Now over here what you have to do is just simply go to the first link, then over here just simply download the application, because it is an Android based application, but you can also use it as a web application, but it works much better in Android or iOS devices. So we will continue that from Android or iOS device, whichever you may prefer. So you can get it on Play Store or App Store. So just simply choose your store and go and install the application. Now after you download the application, just simply open the application. Now over here what you have to do is firstly just simply go to profile and just simply sign up for your account. Now after you're done with that, just simply go to the verification section over here. Attention, now this is the part which is the most important. So the first setting that you have to choose is select the app or website to validate. Click on it and then just simply choose ChatGPT OpenAI. Now for the select country and region, just simply select US. Now over here just simply choose the 1 month plan over here, and if you click next, it will say you don't have enough balance. So for that what you have to do is just simply click OK and go to profile. Now over here what you have to do is just simply do a quick recharge. So click on recharge, then you can choose any plan over here, but what I'm going to choose is the 1 coin plan, because to use the ChatGPT for one time it only needs 0.85 coins. So I'll just simply buy a single coin because that's enough. Now go to profile, click on recharge, click on 1 coin. Now choose whichever payment method you want to choose, then click on continue. Now just simply complete your purchase. So after you're done with paying, click on one tap join and then click OK. Now as you can see, the coin has been added to my account. If I refresh, as you can see over here. So now just simply go back, go to verification. Now all you have to do is just simply hit next. Now over here you will be given a number. Now after getting the number, all you have to do is just simply go back to your OpenAI website. Firstly select US over here, enter the number that is shown to you on the screen of your phone. Now after entering that number, just simply click on send code, and now if you go back to your screen of your phone, you will see that a verification code from ChatGPT has arrived. So now all you have to do is just simply enter the code from your phone to the ChatGPT verification panel. So the code is 699606, and that's pretty much it. Now you are free to use ChatGPT however you may like, because ChatGPT is making a lot of money for a lot of people, because they are using it in a lot of ways, like creating leads for Facebook ads or writing copyright articles like for multiple websites, for example Amazon, Flipkart and many more. You can also use email marketing from ChatGPT to use in Shopify and many more websites like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.